Hi there, my name is Adwoa. Welcome to today's topic. Today we want to talk about how to make you just an incredibly awesome employee. And we're going to do that by sharing with you the 4 things that every boss wishes their employees knew. So let's get started. The first thing that every boss wishes his or her employees knew is that it's really important to say what you need. So many times employees will come up to their leader and say, I need more development, or I need more training. I need more training is not the same thing as I need more training in Excel. Be very specific. That way, your boss knows how to get you what you need so that you can be more successful and therefore enable your leader to be more successful. The second thing every boss wishes his or her employees knew is that it's always better to underpromise and overdeliver. So if you tell your leader that you're going to have something by Friday, it's even more awesome if you have it by Thursday. And oh, by the way, when you do have it on Thursday, make sure it's awesome. There's nothing worse than something landing in your inbox from one of your direct reports. And maybe it's there on time, but you know it's not the highest quality of work that that person could have given you. So put in the extra effort, block out the necessary time so that you can beat the deadline that you've set, but also make sure that the quality is very, very high. Number 3, please do respect your boss's time. Let's say you block time on your boss's calendar for one of your touch bases and it's 30 minutes, but you know that you have an hour's worth of topics. Sounds like you need to book an hour. Be really respectful of their time and honor the hard stops that that person may have. Also honor the soft stops that that person may have. If you've blocked a certain amount of time, don't just go over because that person doesn't look like they have another meeting. You never know what kind of time they have personally set aside to do other things that were important to them, or just simply think about the strategy or the development of the team that they're trying to lead. Number 4 is to be fun. Every boss wishes that their employees knew that they want you to be fun too. It's not just your boss's responsibility to make the team fun and to make work fun. It's your responsibility as well. So don't take yourself too seriously. Don't take the work too seriously. Know that it's okay to laugh and take a break sometimes and engage with your leader and just be a human being and have a little fun. Okay, you just learned 4 ways to become an even more awesome employee for your boss because you now know the 4 things that every boss wishes that their team knew. If you're digging this video, here's what you do. You like it and you share it. You never know how a simple video share, just like this one, is seriously going to impact somebody's career and life. And if you think you need more of what we're doing here, head over to the site that's listed right here and sign up for our email updates. Organizations all over the world need that unique gift that only you bring. So go out into the world today and act with conviction. Be courageous and live joyfully every single day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I cannot wait to see you again at our very next video.